poor man playing, yeah, poor man playing, yeah, poor man playing, yeah, poor man playing, yeah, poor man playing, yeah. It's your boy Bruce here. Bruce, that's right, talking about the poor man's plan. You see, if you got a plan A and your plan A is jacked up right now, you better get yourself a plan B, baby, because you're going to need one. You understand? You know what's going on with the president right now. You know what's going on with this economy right now. You know what's going on with your job right now. You know what's going on with your bills right now. You know what's going on with your life right now. You better get yourself a plan B for real. I'm talking about this poor man's plan. Is flat out getting it done. Why? Because it's a one-time investment, y'all. It's a one-time $18 out of your pocket. A one-time $18 out of your piggy bank. Look at that, man. Your piggy bank. This is piggy bank chump change money. This ain't no deep, you ain't got to be no wealthy guy, no good paying job guy. You ain't got to be deep in all that to get this one done. If you're scrapping cans, if you're collecting metal, if you got some whatever hustle you own right now, this $18 one-time investment with no monthly fees, man, works for you. It'll get you done this time. Homegirl, this will get you done this time. My sisters, my brothers, my European, my Latinos, my Asians, you name it, this works because it's $18 one time. This ain't no deep revelation. You ain't got to be smart and a mathematician to figure this out. It's a simple formula. Now, what are you purchasing for that $18? First of all, the brand, the poor man's plan, is a concept that's for every individual right now that's going through financial disparity in America, all over America, as a matter of fact, and abroad. If you understand me, ain't got a 401k, if you ain't got a pension plan, but you got a welfare plan, you better get you a poor man's plan, girlfriend, boyfriend, brother, my sister, whoever, you understand me? You better get this one right today because you're going to need it for real. If you ain't got no kind of savings, no kind of nothing, everybody knows somebody with $18. Now, don't trip on this one. Don't think too heavy about this one. Don't drag your feet on this one. You understand me? This one will get you done. Stop playing around. Stop sweating it. Stop tripping. Stop contemplating. Stop procrastinating. When you need to do something different that you ain't never did before. But your mind is got you caught up right now. Your mind has got you thinking about the old way when you know that there's a new way and there is a better way. It's a brand new day. It's a brand new way. And it's called the what? Poor man's plan. Say it with me, everybody. Poor man's plan. One more time, say it with me. Poor man's plan. One more time for the road. All right. Poor man's plan. That's right. $18 one-time investment in you and a business. Now, this business is a financial literacy company that deals with educating folk on how to invest in the stock market, how to purchase gold and silver if that's what you want to do. But listen, instead of getting jacked up and getting ripped off, instead of paying too much for everything you've been doing and ain't seeing no money, get this information, get this business started, and get yourself blessed like you've never been blessed before. You know what I'm talking about. So here's the math. If you can invest $18 in you one time, into you and your business one time, no more money to be spent out of your pockets, right? And turn that into say 118, 518, 218, 1018, 2018. Would you do it? Because that's what's happening, people. That's what I'm doing. That's what I'm talking to you all about right now. It's a simple math equation. You can't mess this one up. Don't mess this one up. Don't sleep on this one. If you done lost money before with MLM, network marketing, you robbing people to Peter to pay Paul, you chasing folks, hoping they meet with you about your business, you ain't got to have that problem no more with this $18 deal. I guarantee you that. Why? Because everybody knows somebody with $18. Even the homeless folk can get $18. Folks are on the corner with the sign, yeah, they got $18, people. Don't trip on this one. Do not overthink this. Do not overprocess this. Do not play with this. And don't lie to you saying you can't stand it. I know you can stand it, so stop holding back. Stop being afraid. Come on with it and get this thing done. I promise you, your boy Bruce gonna look out for you. This is what I'm on. I'm gonna put you on the marketing piece that you need to get this thing done with, right? how to get traffic coming to you, how to get people calling you, how to get people seeing what you do and wanting what you do. So they're going to sign up with who? You. That's right, you. They're going to give you they $18 so you can get them paid and get them not what? Played. That play thing ain't no good, man. You understand? People get hurt when they get played with. That's what I'm talking about. So listen, put your information, you understand me, in the box behind the get started button. That button that says get started, it's going to take you to a page where you could sign up and all that and get this business on the roll right away. That's right. So click the get started button down there. You understand me? Wherever it's at around here. I got a whole lot of things on my mind, but I promise you, I'm at my shine. That's what time it is, man. I'm getting this $18 thing done. Not playing with this. Done. That's all I want to see. Done. Results? Done. Done. That's it. Now what? One more time. $18. Piggy bank money. Piggy, you see that pig? Oink, oink, oink. You see that pig? Oink, oink, oink. That's right. I know you got that kind of money at home. I know you got that money. If you collecting cans, if you junking metal, whatever it is you doing, you can find $18, y'all. Now think about it like this, and I'm closing with this one. What are you going to do this week? What are you going to do today that's going to spend $18 and you have no regard for return attached to that? You spend $18 every time you turn around without any regard to any kind of return over on your investment. This is the first time in your life that you're going to have the opportunity to invest this $18 legally, ethically, without having to go to the joint or having some people, watch your back and all that. You ain't got to do all that. You know what I'm talking about. You know what I'm talking about now. Don't trip. You know what I'm talking about. You know you'll go do something that's going to put you behind them walls or jack your whole life up, and you'll be, why did I do it? You should have get the $18 thing a shot. You should have got the $18 deal done, and you wouldn't be, I should have did. I should listen to that brother. You doggone right, you should have listened. So make sure you do what I'm telling you right now. Click the get started button right now. Guess what? I got people waiting for me. I got appointments to keep and people to meet. I gotta go. This is Bruce. This is your boy. Woo, 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 woo. Got to go. Pole man playing. Po.